Kensington Docking Stations expand your laptop's connectivity by allowing you to connect multiple devices, monitors, keyboards, mice, printers, and more, through a single USB-C or other port. They transform a laptop into a desktop-like workstation, simplifying cable management and boosting productivity. Start by unboxing your Kensington Docking Station. Verify that all components are present: the docking station itself, a USB-C cable, and a power adapter. Ensure that the tamper-evident seals are intact to confirm the authenticity of the product. If anything is missing or damaged, contact Kensington support immediately. First, connect the docking station to a power outlet using the provided adapter. For mobile setups, a compatible power bank with at least 100-watt output can be used. Next, use the included USB-C cable to connect the dock to your laptop's USB-C port. If your laptop lacks a USB-C port, utilize a Kensington optional adapter such as USB-A to USB-C converter. Download the Kensington Works software from the official Kensington website. This software allows you to manage and customize your docking station. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Enable auto detection in your system settings for seamless integration. For macOS, access System Preferences. For Windows, check your Settings panel. Finally, ensure you update the firmware through the Kensington Works app for optimal performance and security. Follow the step-by-step guide in the app. Connect your monitors to the docking station using HDMI or DisplayPort cables. Plug one end into the monitor and the other into the corresponding port on the dock's rear panel. Open the Kensington Works app on your computer. Navigate to the Display Settings section to adjust monitor resolution, typically from 1080p up to 4K, depending on your monitor capabilities. You can also change orientation for portrait or landscape modes. If preferred, access your operating system's display settings. On Windows, go to Settings, System, Display. Here you can adjust resolution, orientation, and set which monitor is primary for a seamless workflow. Premium Kensington docking stations support multi-monitor setups, allowing you to connect up to 3 displays simultaneously. This creates an extended desktop for enhanced productivity in professional environments. Connect your peripherals to the appropriate ports on the docking station. Plug in keyboards and mice using USB ports, Ethernet cables for stable network connection, and external storage devices like hard drives or USB sticks. For audio, connect wired headphones or speakers to the USB ports on the docking station. Alternatively, use Bluetooth for wireless audio devices. After connecting all devices, open the Kensington Works app and run the diagnostic test to ensure every connection is working properly and all peripherals are recognized. Many Kensington docking stations, like the SD5800T, include security features such as Secure ID authentication. Set up Secure ID to protect against unauthorized access via a PIN or biometric scan. This is especially important in shared workspaces to prevent data theft and ensure only authorized users can access the connected devices. If you encounter issues like a monitor not displaying, first check for driver updates in the Kensington Works app. Try connecting to a different USB-C port on your laptop to rule out port-specific problems. Visit the Kensington support forums on their website for solutions to common problems shared by other users. Most issues can be resolved through firmware updates or by ensuring all connections are secure and properly seated.